Now, this last part in part 5, I want to get kind of real with you because a lot of people are gonna see what you're doing or not see what you're doing if you keep it quiet, which I kind of recommend, at least for like the first 6 months to a year. Just keep what you're doing on the down low because people like to kind of like poo poo or like downgrade someone who's off chasing their dreams or trying to do something different than the rest of like society, as in like go get a 9 to 5 job and things like that. So if you actually are going to go off and do something like try to gain a following that later on you can monetize, people are going to kind of get jealous of the fact that you're doing something, and they could like kind of diss you. So just keep your head on your content plan. Just do 5 pieces of good quality content a week. Take the weekends off or batch make your content. Just stay in your lane. Keep focused on what your goal is, which is building your audience so that later on down the road you can make some money from it. But for now, when you're just starting and you're just trying to get used to this content creation, video editing, posting on different plans and different places and different platforms and things like that, just just keep it quiet. Keep yourself steady. Keep little mini goals for yourself. And then over time, you'll be more confident. You'll get used to things. You realize that you have to kind of start small and build your way up. You don't just like wake up one day and be like, yeah, I'm going to be perfect at making videos and I'm going to make amazing content and stuff like that. You kind of have to suck at the start. And if you say, okay, I'm going to just do this and I'm going to suck, it's going to be a lot easier for you down the road, because if you do this for a long period of time, then you're going to get really good at it, because anything that you do over and over again, you gain different skills and you excel at. So remember, just like with babies, when they're learning to walk, we don't see them fall over and go, oh, you're terrible, you'll never learn to walk, right? We encourage them, and this is what you have to do to yourself. You have to look at it as, okay, I'm going to build this new thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to learn these new skills, and I'm going to be gentle and kind to myself, and I'm going to get from this point to that point, and it's going to be a journey along the way. And the real winners in business are the ones who don't quit. That's it. That's the only reason why they won. It is not that they're like better or have more resources or they're prettier or anything. It's simply the fact that they didn't quit. So if you don't quit, you'll win too. Just something to keep in mind. In part 6, which is the next video, we're going to talk about, once you have your audience, how you can monetize it. So this is for down the road. It's not right away, but it is something to keep in mind that you can do once you've got a following. So I'll see you in that video.